I'm hearing this strange noise coming from, sounds like right in here or something. I think you can hear it if I bring my phone in here. Here, let me bring the microphone over here. It sounds like it's coming from either inside here or under in there somewhere. And I already took a look on the back side here and put the microphone up to the back plate. It definitely sounds like it's coming from the CPU pump. And I don't know what that noise is, and if it's good or bad, or if I need to reset this or get a warranty on it. Hopefully someone can help me. Thank you.